Wix or GoDaddy. Both can build your website, but they're completely different tools. Let's break down which one you actually need. And smash that subscribe button if you want more straight-up tech comparisons. Wix is a full-featured website builder with over 2,000 templates and true drag-and-drop design, built for customization and creative control. GoDaddy started as a domain registrar, now offers a super-fast website builder. Around 200 templates, AI-powered, and designed to get you online in minutes. Templates. Wix crushes it with 2,000 plus templates across 60 categories. GoDaddy, only 200 templates. But here's the thing, GoDaddy lets you switch templates anytime without losing content. Wix locks you in once you choose. Editor flexibility. This is huge. Wix gives you pixel-perfect control drag-and-drop elements anywhere on the page. GoDaddy uses a grid-based system. You can't freely move things around. It's faster to build, but way more restrictive. Speed to launch. GoDaddy wins here. Their AI builder can have you live in under 60 seconds, no joke. Wix takes longer because you're answering more questions and customizing more details. Features. Wix dominates with 1,000 plus built-in features, advanced SEO tools, email marketing, Wix App Market with third-party integrations, booking systems, membership areas. GoDaddy has basic SEO and marketing, but nowhere near Wix's depth. Both handle online stores, but Wix offers way more tools: abandoned cart recovery, multi-currency, advanced inventory management. GoDaddy covers the basics, but lacks power features. Pricing. GoDaddy starts cheaper at $9.99 a month, but prices jump after the first year to $11.99, $44.99 a month. Wix runs $17, $159 a month depending on features. Both include free domains for year one. Wix gives better value long-term despite higher upfront cost. Bottom line, choose GoDaddy if you need a simple site, fast, and don't care about heavy customization. Choose Wix if you want full design control, advanced features, and plan to grow your site over time. GoDaddy is speed. Wix is power. Links to both in the description below. Which one are you picking? Comment below. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.